It's time to talk about my favorite VPN, and that one is Surfshark. So let's get straight into this video where I can show you why I love Surfshark VPN. Please note that link down below is going to get you the most exclusive deal on the internet today. So let's get it. So guys, why am I picking Surfshark? Because it's an award-winning VPN service, okay? You have the protection on your privacy that everybody needs, so you can get Surfshark VPN to stop snooping ISPs and third-party trackers on all devices you have, securing your identity, all right? You want to hide your IP address and the sensitive data you send and receive, prevent tracking, so enable the VPN connection to prevent companies, hackers, and bots from tracking you online. It is the best choice for you. If you compare it to, for example, CyberGhost and ExpressVPN, it's the cheapest, and again, that link down below, we're actually going to give you extra exclusive deals on this. You can have unlimited devices, which is mind-blowing. You can have this on as many as you like around the globe, okay? 24/7 support. The support is fantastic. Independent audit, always done, and it's public online. Ad block and the two-factor authentication. You see the difference between different VPNs. That's why this is incredible. Guys, what I want to do is actually show you the VPN at work, okay? This VPN has had incredible mentions of TechRadar, PC, CNET, and things like that, okay? Its industry-leading security is ridiculously good. But I know you're thinking, I want to see how this works, so let's get straight into that. Guys, look how user-friendly this is, all right? Guys, look at it. It's super easy. You can see the big quick connect button. So what I've got is I've got my extension up at the top where you can just open it, and I can actually quick connect from here, okay, if I wanted to, if I'm on a web page, or you can just click this quick connect button down below. Now what it does, it takes 8 attempts. Now I've never seen it go past 3, okay? It gives you 8 attempts because things like Netflix and Amazon Prime actually try and block your IP address. So this will give it 8 tries, and if it doesn't work, it'll move on to a new server. See, that's super quick. Now if you want to change country, they've got so many servers here, all right? For example, we can go into Hong Kong. All you do is simply click it, and within 60 seconds, it's disconnected from the server I was at, and we're back in, okay? You can see that it's actually less than 10 seconds. It's super, super quick. Now, guys, one really cool feature we've got is static IP, which most VPNs have, but we have multi-hop, which is not normal. Now, what this does is it allows you to jump from 2 different countries. So, for example, we're going from the United States to the Netherlands. We click that. It'll connect, again, less than 60 seconds, and our IP address is now going all the way from France, which I'm in right now, to the United States, through to the Netherlands. Guys, how hard is it to track? Like, it's super easy. If you want to go into the settings and check out the protocols, all you do is go in there and have a look yourself, okay? You've got your protocols, your kill switch, your clean web, auto connect, everything like that, guys. So get familiar with the settings. Please just check it on the website and see what makes it comfortable for you. So guys, let's jump straight to the price and see how cheap that link could be getting you this VPN right now. Now for the good bit, you thought you were gonna have to pay a fortune. It is super cheap. And not only that, we've made it cheaper with that link by giving you 82% off, as you can see, plus 2 months for free, and you have the 30 money back guarantee. All you gotta do is click Get VPN Deal. It's gonna take you straight through. You choose what subscription you want. I would recommend the highlighted 2 months for free subscription, where it's only €2.30 a month. You're saving 82%. Guys, that is ridiculous, okay? So let's jump to the summary, but make sure you hit that link down below. There you have it, guys. Surfshark is incredible, and hitting that link, you're gonna get an incredible deal. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you wanna be notified, and I'll see you next time.